Hi, I'm Heath here with Clearview Windshield Repair. In this clip, we're going to be talking about understanding a windshield. Now I'm going to help you understand why a windshield can be repaired. See, you have several different types of glass. On your house, it's plate glass. Plate glass can actually crack and break into shards, and it can slice you. I don't know, lots of different, it's pretty bad stuff. Tempered glass is glass on the side of your windows on your car, and that has been heated, reheated. So when that breaks, in the event of, say, a rollover or something, or even a cop breaking a window open for you so you can get out, it breaks into little cubes. You might have seen that in a car accident or something. Now, another thing is on a windshield, it is laminated glass. It's got 2 layers of glass that are sandwiched together. And in the inside layer is polyvinyl butyl, which is a plastic inner layer. So what happens is when that gets a nick, that can be repaired because you inject the resin in and it stops before it even hits the second layer of glass. So instead of injecting and going all the way through, it injects and stops, therefore being able to seal that break. Now, with the stone break in a windshield, basically what happens is that darker blackness that you see in the break is air. And air, as we all know, expands and contracts and cracks across your windshield, so it can further the crack. So what we do in a windshield repair process is we inject an acrylic resin into the break to fill the void and siphon that air out. Therefore, the break is filled and it can't crack out any further.